Hello fellow kayak anglers, I'm John with Greenfish Nation. We are kayak bass fishing's newest road to a national championship. What will be your ticket to get there? Will you fish in the Invitational? Will you qualify as a state or regional Angler of the Year and become part of the Angler of the Year National Challenge? Will you put up 100 inches in a tournament and become a member of the 100-inch club? Or will you guys put together a team and join our national team event at Caddo Lake in October? Join us, guys, because we're catching here at Greenfish Nation.